All right, so here's the latest. Vusi Musiket Matala was back in court today, and again, no final decision. So today, Matala appeared in the Gauteng High Court alongside his co-accused, including his wife. Now, nothing dramatic happened, but something important did come up. The defense asked for some of the money laundering charges to be dropped, especially for the co-accused. The state didn't give a final answer. They said they'll look into it, and the case was adjourned again. So basically, today was another procedural step, not the trial itself. Just for context, how did we get here? If you're feeling like, how hasn't this man been in court a lot? You're not wrong. This whole thing really picked up in 2025 when Matlala was arrested and appeared in the Alexandra Magistrate Court for bail. His bail was denied. The court said he's a flight risk and a danger. From there, the case got bigger. More charges were added, including multiple attempted murder counts, and it was eventually moved to the High Court because of how serious it is. Since then, we've been seeing pre-trial appearances in January, February, and now again today in March. Where are we now? So, right now, here's the situation. Matlala is still in custody. The trial has not officially started, and the court is still dealing with the legal arguments and charges before the real trial begins. Now, there's been talk that the trial could start on the 20th of July 2026, but that date has not been clearly confirmed in court yet. So, for now, it's something we've been watching, not something we can lock in. Keep you updated as things move, especially when we finally get a confirmed trial date or a major ruling. Because for now, it's another court date, another adjournment, and the case continues. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. God bless you and good night.